Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Sorry kung di ako nakatingin sa inyo kasi nakatingin ako sa salamin. Ayun na. Thank God. So, ang una naming challenge for today ay lumipat yung pusa namin sa kabilang unit. Nag-play si Alex ng cat sounds and nalure naman siya. Andito na siya. So, today we're going to, ano nga pangalan ng coffee shop? Collab. We're going to Collab Cafe. Kasi pet friendly and I need to work. So, ayun. Hindi ko na film yung getting ready and everything kasi tapos na ako dun last time. So, kung gusto nyo panoorin nyo na. We're here in Collab Cafe. Naiya ako. Parang mas maganda yung pwesto natin kanina. Mas maganda. Mas maganda yung lighting. Masyadong harsh yung lighting dito. We got drinks. Si Alex ay ano siya? French vanilla. Tapos sa akin ay peach Hong Kong iced tea. Because I'm basic like that. Start na ako mag-work. Sadly. Si Alex, pinag-iisipan niya kung nagawa siya ng backlog niya or magma-Minecraft siya. Tingnan po natin kung anong mananalo for today's video. Medyo madami siya kailangan gawin. Pero parang magma-Minecraft lang siya. Jenny! Ilang oras ba tayo dito? Isa? 30 minutes. Wala pa naman ako na-achieve in life. Check-in lang. Okay, bye. Tapos na. Tapos na yung task 1. After, I think, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Ay, ayaw niya pala suma. Tapos na yung task 1. So, task 2 na tayo. Yung first one, I had to create a proposal for Blooms and Stories. It's our business for events management. So, meron kasing may wedding this coming June. And I have to finalize yung package na i-offer namin for them. So, ayun. Nag-isip ako ng kaperahan. And the event and the style, of course. And the design. Kaya natagalan ako. Pero doon mabilis lang yun eh. Hindi ko alam ba't sobrang tagal eh. Sobrang pinag-isipan ko talaga ng today's level. I have to edit the bouquets for posting for Mother's Day. I'll let you know. Mag-iisip muna ako. Natapos ko na yung 2 tasks na dapat ko talagang gawin for today. Pero I also have to post sa TikTok and Instagram. So, I'll do that. And I'll be using my phone. So, hindi ko mapapakita sa inyo. Kasi nga, gamit ko yung phone. It's 7:40. So, we've been here for 4 hours and a half. Wala pa namang galit. Sana walang magalit. I'll just finish my tasks. Tapos, uwi na kami. Sana best lang. Nahiya na ako. Dami din sinasabi. We're home na. Nakapagpalit na rin and everything. But I forgot to film an outro. Actually, already edited a few of the clips from this vlog and nag-edit lang din ako ng mga ipopost for today as I've said. Hindi ko na kinayang mag-edit dun sa cafe kasi wala kang wifi. So, nanghinayang ako sa data. Sabi ko, umuwi na lang kami. So, we went home and then edited here. Tapos, ngayon, I have to wash the dishes kasi syempre kakain pa kami. But, I'll end the vlog here. This is the first vlog again that I'm doing na may nagsasalita and everything. So, I hope you guys had fun. Kasi I was awkward doing this vlog. Pero, I think through time, babalik din ang aking kapal ng mukha. Hey! I hope you guys enjoyed. Next week, I'll also post a vlog. So, sana mag-watch out kayo. Okay, bye.